What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you some kitchen cleaning motivation. I know sometimes at the end of the night after you've cooked and all of that, you really don't have the energy, but you know you don't want to leave your kitchen dirty. So I'm hoping this will give you the motivation that you need to get up and get your kitchen clean. If you are new here, my name is Tamara. I create all types of content from cleaning, DIY, organization as well. Then I throw in a little bit of other stuff here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and take a look around to see if this channel motivates you to click that subscribe button. I would love you to join me over here. If you've been rocking with me for a minute, I appreciate you coming back for another video. I really do. So let's get into this cleaning motivation. Luckily on this evening, the dishwasher had already been empty, so all I had to do was pre-wash the dishes and get them loaded into the dishwasher.
Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. So full of self-confidence.
So now I'm going to take some soft scrub in the lemon scent to clean out the sink.
I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess.
Now the sinks are all clean. I'm just going to use the Method Daily Granite Spray to clean all the countertops.
I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row can turn into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess.
I'm just going to take that soft scrub again to clean off the stovetop. If you haven't used soft scrub to clean either your sink or your stovetop, try it out. I think it's about $3 or $4 at Walmart or Target, but just try it out to see if you like it.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No time out.
I did want to mention that with the soft scrub, a little goes a long way. I was so used to using the Barkeeper's Friend when I couldn't find the soft scrub, and I would use not a whole lot, but about this amount, but you do not need this much that I used on the stovetop. That's why I'm having to go back over it and wipe it and wipe it and wipe it. You only need just a little bit, so just, you know, keep that in mind. A little does go a long way.
Favorite place, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town. never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel and also lets me know that I am bringing you content that you guys enjoy. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Blessings to you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Running from my ghost.